Hello, how are you today? And welcome to my channel, Brandy Boo Makeup and Magic. So today I'm going to attempt to do a eyeshadow eye makeup tutorial. I've never done one before, so this is actually going to be more like a step-by-step. It's going to be a smoky eye, so I'm hoping that I do a good job and it looks good and you guys can understand my steps and what I'm doing. I'm going to try to do it so that you can see it, you can understand. This is my first time doing this, so hopefully everything works out and we do a good job, and then you'll do a good job with your eye. So then we'll both have some smoky, beautiful eyes. Alright, I'll be back. So I'm gonna take my glasses off, that'd be helpful. So my eyes are already primed, and I'm going to go ahead and put, today I'm using Marc Jacobs palette. So it is called the Electric palette. I've used this one before, so, oops, sorry, the mirror. But anyways, I used this one before. I am going to be starting off with this one here. I'm just putting that all over my eye. Out these two colors. Sorry, maybe I'll do it this way. I'll be blending out these two colors I'm pointing to right here, but the light brown and dark brown, and I'm going to lightly place them on my crease. And I'm using a fluffy brush for this one too. So, went a little bit too much. So I just lightly placed them like right on the crease here. Next step is going to be, which this is what I am so excuse me, so afraid of, black. The black scares me. It is very pigmented black, really does scare me. So I'm going to try my best to do a good job for you guys. I've only successfully done this once, so we will see how well this works. So we will see. And I'm patting this in my crease here, a little bit above my crease, and a little bit over by my eye, like right where we get kind of to the iris, but not past the iris. I go very light on the black, like I've said before, like I just said, it scares me. So I go very easy. Make sure you close eye because you don't want to get it all in all the wrinkles. Okay, I'm going to do the other eye. Okay, now I got a raccoon eye. Woohoo! So next I'm going to use this right here and put that on my eye. I'm going to use my finger at first. Might be okay. What I do is I tap where the black line is, get it to kind of blend. Okay, so I did that eye. I'm gonna do the other. Okay, so I like a little color. I like color. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take out my conspiracy palette that I have and use the not a fact color and kind of put that in with the black just a little to give it kind of a more in-depth, like to me it makes it look a little better. Like there's no rhyme or reason to anything I do, seriously. I just do it. And I can't see, so I'm gonna get my glasses. I'm gonna try to find my brush. Alright. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put it kind of like right around through here. Very lightly. So I want this to pop a little bit more, the glitter part. So I'm going to take a flat brush, spray some Fix Plus. No, it's not Fix Plus. It's setting spray. It's Smashbox setting spray. And dip that in there with the glitter. And then go over the glitter like so. Make it pop a little more. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. There we go. Lot better. out the conspiracy palette once again. Get a short fluffy brush. Or no, wait. Yeah. Get a brush kind of like this. Kind of like that. And then I'm going to get what is called wrench that's in here. And do a little bit highlight up here and in the corner of my eye. Woo-wee. I'll tone it down. Don't worry. I'll tone it down. Don't worry. I ain't gonna be looking like this. I'm going to put my face on, finish all that up, put some falsies on, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I wanted to get a little close. Finished look. I didn't put any falsies on. I just used some, it's Maybelline Falsies mascara with my Essence mascara that I always use. I use those two for my, I don't know if you can tell, it's a pretty good combination. I put a little bit of the black underneath my eye, just a little. You don't want to do too much and it'll look like you have a black eye. I put my highlighter on, that. Now I'm debating on which, if I want to wear lipstick or if I want to put on my lip gloss. I've been wearing the crap out of my lip gloss. These two lip glosses are like my fave lip gloss, like ever my fave. But I am going to put on my lipstick. I don't use lip liner. I always mess it up, so I don't ever use lip liner. Maybe I need to watch some tutorials to see if I can get better at lip liner. Because I mean, some of these girls, they do a great job at it and they look flawless, but it always makes me look like my lips are like too big or something. I don't know. Don't know. So this lipstick is, I got this, it's called it's Full House, and it's from Color Kind. It's from Color Kind, and this is called Full House. So it's a little too red. It looks really red on the camera, but I mean it's kind of more, in person it looks more burgundy. So But okay, well, this is my look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and of course, like, subscribe, comment, and share. I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the world to me. I'm still trying to get those 50 subscribers. I'm at 28 now. Just waiting on, you know, my 50 subscribers. If you want to come and be a part of the Brandy Boo crew, that'd be fantastic. So, but that's all for today's video. Have a great morning, evening, night, whatever it is where you are. And of course, like I always say, love yourself. And never forget that you can do whatever you put your mind to it. And today, I definitely had to focus on now. I had to focus on each minute. I didn't even have to focus. It was hard. It was such a bad day that I had to try to get through each minute. It wasn't trying to get through the day, or it wasn't focus on today, not tomorrow, not yesterday. Like, I had to be like, okay, I got through that moment. I got through that moment. It was one of those days. Let me just tell you, it was really, really one of those days. So, but okay, so this is my look. I hope it looks good. It's my first makeup tutorial, so I hope it looks good. Alright, if you like them, let me know and I will do more, okay? Alright, love you guys. Mwah. Bye-bye.